Guys, watu wa mkarango, we mkarango.
So we don't have the capacity.
Guy, nasi utoke kwa set yangu.
It's about to go down.
This kapilipili, guy gageta koma. It is called devil.
It's true. Simplest ingredients for the simplest of meals. Pecan orange.
Hi guys and welcome back to Pecan Orange. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door. If you're new here, karibu sana. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because here we cook and have fun at the same time. Give this video a like, comment down below and hit the notification bell so that every time we upload a new video, you'll always be the first person to be notified, all right? Thank you so much for the love. If you didn't watch our last video, please. It's interesting because many people don't know how to make it. Okay, most of the things that I make, many people don't know how to make them. So, hii yenye tunatengeneza leo inspired by my mom because anapenda kupika sana, anapenda kupika pilipili, anapenda kukaanga pilipili, okay? And that's what we are doing today. We are doing pilipili ya kukaanga. Ladies and gentlemen, our ingredients. Our first ingredients before anything, it's pilipili, of course. Then here we have kitungu. This is onion. This is garlic. Of course, we have pilipili here. We have salt to taste. We have lemon. We need the lemon juice. This is oil. This is tomatoes. Here we have tomato paste and 3 beef cubes. Okay? Imagine that is all you need. Alafu kuna sufuria hapa na muiko. So we are going straight to our sufuria. You can use either this kapilipili. It is called devil.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
The red devil. And you can use this big one. In our case, we've used the big one. If you want it hot, make sure it's hot. If you don't want it hot, guys, usidangonya na aka kakitu. Unaweza eka tutano wake maskio haka. To our sufuria, we're going to add oil. Let me give you a secret. If unataka kustop pilipili yako kwa fridge, make sure haujanyima mafuta. This is what I'm talking about. Don't pima your mafuta, okay? I'm assuming yetu itabaki, so we need to add more oil in that. Then our next thing, we're going to put in our onions, okay? Remember our sufuria ilikuwa already hot. So that's our kitungu. Ive kidogo tu. So this is the whole thing, right? You don't have to kata. Okay, you don't have to be boring. That's what I'm trying to say. Then you add our garlic, sawa? Our garlic. So we used to karanga mafuta. Tukiwa high school hivi, alafu unabeba. Then when you're eating your githeri, unachota unaongeza. Yeah. It used to be cool like that. Yes, guys, watu wa mkarango, we mkarango.
So we don't have the capacity.
Alafu ulikuwa unaomba mkarango una jam.
Like a goat.
I want you guys to see something. Come. So in our case right now, kitungu haijaiva kabisa, but garlic imeiva. Make sure that this is how your onion looks before you add your pilipili. So we are going to add our pilipili. Kimo, are you sure you want us to put all this pilipili? Okay. You add your pilipili like so. Okay. Alafu, guys, remember, I always insist you cook your tomato paste. Always. Especially if you're not sure about the tomato paste that you're using. So, unaweza ongeza tomato paste juu ya food ikue kali. Okay, depending on the tomato paste. But for me, regardless of what tomato paste I'm using, I must put my tomato paste after the kitungus and all that. before I put in anything else. Our beef cubes. Of course, you can put any other spice that you want, but if you want your pili pili to come out like mine, this is how I do it. This is how I do it.
Madam.
Our tomatoes. Our tomatoes. Then salt to taste. Okay. Kidogo tu. Not a lot. Kidogo tu. Like that. I want you to notice that oil is dominating this pili pili. Sawa? The oil is literally dominating. Yeah, so I'm going to add some water kidogo tu, just to make sure that tomato zako zimeiva zikuwe zimeiva kabisa. So I'm just going to add a little water like that. See? Like that. But still the oil is dominating. Okay? Alafu tutafunika. So our lemon will come in after our nyanya zimeiva. Sawa? Again, our oil is dominating. Why? We are going to store this pilipili. Hatuwezi kula yote at once leo. See? So nyanya yetu imekufa. Can you see? Lower your heat. Okay, lower your heat. Then put in your lemon juice. Okay. We want that sour taste. We want that sour taste. Okay. If you and I'm about to sneeze, guys, because the heat is too much here. So we're going to add our salt now again. Okay. Someone will ask, hey, Rachel, mafuta yote. I have just said from the beginning, if you want to store, or rather if you want your pilipili ikae for longer in your fridge, put oil. Sawa, put enough oil in your pilipili. Wewe utakuwa tu unachota kidogo kidogo. Ladies, women out there, wives out there, if your husband really loves pilipili, kama anapenda pilipili na roho yake yote, mpikie hii pilipili, umweke kwa fridge ama umweke tu mahali, not necessarily kwa fridge, wenye hawana fridge. Umweke, unamfunikia tight, yeye ni kuchota tu. Unakuanga tu unamchotea, si ati kila saa unakatakata, hapana. Pikana Rach is your plug for amazing food. So here it is. And Keimo loves this pilipili. So Keimo ni hata tu tastea because ishaiva. Unaona ukishachota mafuta ina disappear. Trust me, you're doing the right thing. And again, si ati unaikula peke yake. Sasa tuzime. Ujua tunagawana na mkate.
What do you mean?
Si unanikatia?
Si kuna mkate mwingine hapa ndani.
Mimi sitaki hiyo, mimi nataka yenye umeshika.
Okay, that's okay.
Hiyo ndio imekarangwa. Sipio unatakanga yenye ninakula?
Sawa.
Hata ukiwa na yako unataka kuchukua yangu.
It's okay. Mambi anapenda pilipili?
Keimo anapenda.
It's about to go down. The sourness.
Iko sawa?
Benye tu napendanga ikiwa.
Aha.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
Kichwa kuongeza kiasi.
Never ni moto.
Wase tunakula pilipili hapa ni kama ni kitoweo.
But watu wanapenda pilipili.
But if you love pilipili, this one you're gonna dig. Hii pilipili ni tamu.
Ni legit.
It's true.
No ni umiede.
Lakini hii pilipili ni true.
You know?
No ni moto.
There you are. Pilipili yetu ndio hiyo na imeiva kuiva. Guy. Na si utoke kwa set yangu. Si utashinda hapa.
Nimaliza nini? Vlog.
Okay guys, ni tamu hivyo. Bye. Subscribe. Kuma hawe mani. Ni urathukiria set.
Leo say hebu jaribini pilipili na mkate.
Na come through.
Ni true.
Na wakimaliza wa brush teeth cause sasa saa hii unacheka mtu anaona manini.
Pilipili na mkate guys.